Hey everyone, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a delicious carne de puerco and salsa de chile de arbol. This is one of my favorite dishes. It's the perfect amount of spice, tangy, and it's so flavorful. I'm gonna be adding nopales and I'm also gonna be putting some rice on the side. I really hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna start off by cutting the meat into smaller pieces. Now I'm gonna set up my pot and put it on medium heat. I'm gonna add the oil. Now that the oil is hot, I'm gonna add the meat. I'm also going to add salt and pepper, and now we're gonna cover it. We're gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes. While we're waiting for the meat, let's work on the salsa. We're gonna add some oil to the pan, and we're gonna throw in the tomatillos and the 4 garlic cloves. We're just gonna be moving around the tomatillos until they're grilled on each side. As you can see, the garlic is now ready, and I'm gonna transfer them into the blender cup. The tomatillos are almost ready as well. The tomatillos are now ready, and they're going into the blender cup as well. Now we're gonna toast the chile de arbol for just a little bit. Make sure that they don't burn. We're just toasting them for a few seconds. Now it's done, and they're going into the blender as well. I'm gonna add 1/4 of an onion to the blender cup, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And last, 1 cup of water. And now we blend. It's been about 20 minutes, and I think the meat is done. And yes, it is. Ay, me brincó. This is how I like it, perfectly fried. And now it's time to add in the nopales. It was 3 nopales. We mix it in, and we're gonna cover it up again and make sure that the nopales release all the juice. Let's check to see if the nopales are okay. Yes, as you can tell, the nopales are already started to fry with the meat as well, and they released all the juice. So the final part is to add the sauce mixture. This is a perfect time to check to see if you need more salt or chicken bouillon. For me, this is perfect. Now we're gonna cover it up and let it boil for another 5 minutes. So it's been about 5 minutes, and the carne is ready. It smells so delicious. Now it's time to serve myself a delicious plate. I'm gonna be adding it to some rice that I made earlier. And look at how delicious it looks. Perfect. I gotta warn you that it is spicy. If you want it less spicy, you can take out some of the chiles de arbol. But if you like spicy foods like me, this is perfect. Okay, this is a moment of truth. Con una tortillita. It is spicy.
¿Está picota?
Está enchiloso.
Está bueno.
Pero está bien caliente también. Super, super rico. Delicious. You must try it. Okay guys, that's it for this one. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.